Hello, I'm Anton. This is day 25 of daily crypto installments. My transactions today remain the same: Bitcoin 20,000, Ethereum 20,000, XRP 10,000. I consider the 50,000 lost because if I had kept it in the bank, it would have been used up by the administration fees. This all happened on February 4th, 2025, and I'm playing the recording here. Today I want to discuss: can Bitcoin be used for shopping? The answer: yes, but it's not yet common. In some countries and online stores, Bitcoin can be used to purchase goods. For example, airline tickets, online games, even Tesla cars, which were once apparently discontinued. But in Indonesia, its use is still limited and is considered more of an investment asset. I've never used Bitcoin for shopping. I'm saving it for the long term. If more merchants accept BTC in the future, it might become a real means of transaction. But that's overseas, as in Indonesia, regulations clearly prohibit domestic transactions using anything other than rupiah. Previously, in Bali, many merchants, hotels, and restaurants accepted Bitcoin as a means of payment. However, the government ultimately stopped this, as it violated existing laws. You might be wondering, if it's prohibited, why are so many Indonesians still buying Bitcoin? Bitcoin is considered a commodity in Indonesia, and it's certainly permissible to buy it. What's prohibited is using it as a means of payment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to stay up to date with Bitcoin developments. See you on day 26.